Welcome! In this project, we'll make an LED blink using just a resistor, a breadboard, and a few lines of code. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino, a breadboard, a red LED, a 220 ohm resistor, and jumper wires. First, plug the LED into the breadboard, then connect the 220 ohm resistor to the cathode leg or short leg of the LED. This prevents burning out of your LED. Plug a jumper wire to the anode or long leg of the LED and to pin 13 of the Arduino. Connect a jumper wire from the resistor to the ground of the Arduino. Here's the code. We set pin 13 as an output and toggle it on and off with a 1-second delay. That's it. Less than 15 lines of code. Upload the code and your LED comes to life, blinking on and off like magic. Simple, but powerful. This is just project 1 from my book, DIY Maker Tech Basics. Grab your copy today and start building.